home suite, we are proud to introduce Loft Bed Crest, a simple, compact, and robust design that integrates your home office and bed space into one. First, align and connect the upper deck to the right. And left leg of the loft bed using the designated screw. Attach the fabrics on the head and footboard of the loft bed. These fabrics are fastened using Velcro tape. Then, attach the lower brace on the legs using the designated screw. Connect the side guard on the left leg and upper deck. Next, attach the V-brace on the upper part of legs and on the middle part of the lower brace using the designated screw. Align the shafting on the upper shelf bracket and connect on the left leg of the loft bed. Connect the lower shelf bracket. Connect the ladder and secure it with ladder bracket. Place the whole assembly beside the wall.